Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing red geode cake with marble effect by watercolor painting, as well as these beautiful crystals decorated on the top. I made the molds for the crystals by myself. If you want to know how I did it, please keep watching. This is a relatively high cake with two 6-inch cakes at the bottom and two 5-inch cakes at the top. Each cake has one layer, and the total amount of the cream cheese buttercream recipe I used is as shown on the screen. I first crumb coated each cake, and then final frost the cakes. After pop the cakes in the fridge for 15 minutes, they were ready for marble painting. Prepare light gray color and use small sponge to tap some color. Lightly tap on the cake to create the background color. Use a feather to add detailed veins using darker gray color. And then more darker gray to add further details. Now for the 5-inch cakes. Obviously, the background gray color is darker, but it's okay. Carve out cutouts in the cake. I did both sides, front and back, two different shapes of geodes. Use small offset spatula to cover the cutouts with frosting. Prepare some white rock candy. Use tweezers or your fingers to cover the cutouts with rock candy. I added some vodka to the dry fruit powder to create the color I want. Because the air conditioner suddenly stopped working, I had to decorate the cake at 28 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, so part of the cream melted and the cake tilted. I almost went crazy. Since I'd already spent some time working on this cake, I continued my work and tried to find ways to fix it. Use a pen brush to pen the centers of the rock candy covered cutouts with darker color, and pen the cutouts outer edges with lighter color. These are what we need to make the Isomalt. Be sure to use a non-stick pan to melt Isomalt. Bring to a boil on medium-high heat. Do not stir. After the mixture is boiling, turn to medium heat. Simmer until temperature reaches 160 degrees Celsius. Let it cool down for 30 seconds. And then add fruit powder for coloring. I don't have crystal molds, so I made some with kitchen aluminum foil. Different sizes. Pour the Isomalt into the molds. I think the crystal looks pretty good. And my Geode Cake is done. Obviously, I found my way to fix the tilted cake problem. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please click like, subscribe this channel, and share this video to your friends. I'll see you next time.